What do you got there?
A new cooking toy.
A new cooking toy?
Well, I've had one, but this is a new one.
You got an Instapot.
7-in-1.
Wow.
So we're gonna open it.
You gonna see what's in the box?
Yep.
Let's see what's in the box. Oh, there's a plastic handle in the box.
Oh, that's what some. Oh, and instructions.
Pitch down, we don't need those.
Yeah, I do sometimes. So we're gonna just set that right there. Oh, there's no styrofoam in this one. Power cord. Yeah, no styrofoam. That's wild.
Kind of packed like the Starlink was.
Okay. Alright.
You got a new pot.
Yep.
Ooh, pretty.
That in there.
Pretty.
Yeah, look at all the stickers I gotta take off.
Look at the newness. Ooh, it even smells new.
Yep. Oh, that's different.
Ooh, got a button. What's that?
Where you vent, see how it pushes it up or seal.
Ooh, cool.
That's gotta come out.
Ooh, look at that. Instapot. No. Well, this does everything but the dishes.
Yeah.
What are you gonna make in it? First
Chili.
time. We're making chili.
Yep.
Why? Ooh.
Oh, this one. Okay,
We like chili.
Alright. Let's
What's
see.
got in there?
I don't know.
More paper. Paper. What's that?
I don't know. My other one didn't come with that.
It's a rack.
It's a rack for something. There we go.
Ooh, look at that shiny new bowl. Shiny new bowl. Okay. This is what it's like to be a roast.
Yep. Oh, instructions.
Instructions?
Yep.
Yeah, pitched them.
Make sure heating element is free from grease and debris. This is, do not leave food on the heating element.
There's a heating element in it?
Yep.
Where's the heating element?
I'm assuming it's that thing. Or this. It's this. And that my other one didn't go down like that.
I don't know.
I did. I was in and out of that thing. Oh, heck. Oh, it's got a steam catcher. My other
A
one didn't have
steam
it.
catcher.
Yeah, look.
Steam catcher, huh?
Yep. I'm like, why is there tape back there? But
That's what that is?
yeah, it catches the liquid off. Because you know steam does build up.
Cool.
Yeah. Okay. Ta-da! My other one. Oh, I'm already impressed with the new one.
So, you gotta wash it first, huh?
Yeah, wash pan.
Wash the pan.
I gotta take stickers off. And that's apparently for your meat when you put it in there, so it's not directly.
That's a nice rack you got there.
Thank you. I gotta get the stickers off, get that out. So yep, there it is.
Party.
It's all shiny. Oh my gosh, it's got more buttons than my other one.
Hey.
What?
Where's the chili?
I ain't made it yet.
You made no chili
No,
yet?
not yet. Yeah, we got soup, broth, meat, stew, beans, or chili. Wow, that's new. Poultry,
Nice.
rice, multigrain, porridge, steam.
Porridge.
Yep.
Let's make porridge.
Slow cook, saute. You can delay start, pressure lever, keep warm, pressure cook, or yogurt. Good to know. This one's a little different than my other one. So,
That's a big pot.
how am I gonna go? Alright.
Alright.
You gotta be smarter than this thing. Oh, there's like a thing inside too that holds this in better.
I don't know what you're talking about.
My other one didn't have this. See the little.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that wasn't in there.
Yeah, okay.
It's supposed to be a.
Clips.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I gotta take that out to get this paper out. I want it in there.
Well,
I gotta figure out how to pop.
I guess, what do you want to do? You want to show them how to make the chili in this today?
I can.
Alright.
I I can even brown the meat in there if I want.
Yeah.
Okay, why is this not coming out? That's the problem.
I don't know.
Okay, I gotta figure that out.
What are we gonna do? You gonna get it all ready and make some chili in
let
it?
me get it ready to make chili.
Well, let's end the video with a chili.
Yep.
Okay, because we like chili.
Yep, we like chili. Yeah, that's supposed to pop
And
on.
we got company. Desert Adventures in Arizona's here with us. We're gonna make chili.
Yeah.
We got SeeouRView and Lily's Lens.
There it goes. Pew.
Get it?
Yep.
All right. Well, let's get to making some chili. Let's get this thing washed up and we'll make some chili.
Yep.
Alrighty. What you doing?
Browning the meat.
Browning the meat.
In my Instapot.
Browning up rather nicely, ain't it?
Breaking it up smaller.
Well, I'll let you get back to work.
Okay.
Can't wait for the chili. What are you doing?
Getting ready to put some chili mix in.
Chili mix? You got the meat brown?
Yep, meat is brown.
Drained?
And drained.
Oh, now you're putting this stuff in?
Now we're trying a different. This is a mixed chili bean.
Yeah.
So that's different. And I got Italian style petite diced tomatoes.
Italian style.
Yep, Italian style. Blah, 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 blah.
Diced tomatoes.
And
A couple packs of chili mix to throw in there. Yep. But now, okay, she's going to put that stuff in there.
Yep.
Until it's full. So we don't know how many cans we're going to use, but we're going to do 1 and 1, right?
And I don't drain because I like to give the seasoning what's in here with it.
Yeah, and it thickens up as it cooks.
Wow, that's thick. 1 can.
Yep, 1 and 1 until it's full.
Yep.
But we don't know how much it's going to take, so we bought a case of each.
Alright. It's empty. Let me stir it real quick. And I do not add water to my chili. Just so everybody knows. Nope. No water.
Alrighty.
Okay, that's only 1 can of each. That is.
I know it ain't going to be enough, but we'll be back when it's full.
Yep.
How many cans did you get in there? 6?
6. Roy said 7. I said 6 was pushing it, and that is 6.
No, you got 5.
5. Oh yeah, 5.
5 and 5.
6. Yeah.
But yeah, we weren't getting 7 in there. We're not pressure cooking, so we didn't have to stop at the maximum pressure.
Yeah, otherwise we had to stop at 3.
We slow
Gonna-
cooking. What are you doing now?
I'm putting my chili mix in.
Chili
just
mix?
for extra flavoring.
Couple packs.
Yeah, not what they recommend because sometimes it gives you too much of a kick. Okay, let's get it mixed. Stop making a mess, Becky. Because Becky's known to make messes.
Oh, that looks good. That looks real good.
And next time maybe we can make chili on the fire. Okay, I'm gonna make sure. Yeah, there was
Oh, it's kind of breezy.
Yeah, it's kind of breezy today, so. And I'm eager to try out my new Instapot.
Oh.
So far, I'm really impressed with it. Really like it. It's got more buttons than my old one does, so that's a plus. We're always going to be a guinea pig for lots of cooking. Alrighty, it's stirred.
And what's nice, once we get the other inverter installed,
I can run it.
we can run this Instapot on solar.
Right.
Instead, right now we got the generator going.
Oh, I guess it don't matter. We leave the vent open just in case.
And now you're gonna slow cook
I'm gonna hit the button that says bean and chili.
bean and chili.
Well, it says bean and chili, or I can slow cook.
Where?
There's bean and chili, and then there's
hit the chili button because it says chili, don't it? Ooh, what's it say?
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
No, I don't want that. I want slow cook.
Slow cook.
There we go. 6 hours.
Slow.
What time
cook.
is it? We might need it 4.
6 hours. Yeah, you're fine. You're fine. Let it go.
Okay. And then there it goes. It does it all on its own. I don't even have to hit start. Okay, there we go. It's cooking.
Alrighty. We'll see you when it's done. Look, there's the end result. Everybody's Diving in.
Wait a minute, look.
Oh, yeah.
Of course, it was a little higher, but I almost forgot to video this.
Oh my goodness, that looks good.
That's
Yummy.
what it looks like after 4 bowls have been taken out.
There's all the fixings.
Yes.
Sunset behind that laundry thing.
If these guys get out of the way, I get in that bowl.
There's SeeouRView. Desert Adventures in Arizona.
Check it out, check it out, check it out. Oh man,
Yummy,
look at that
yummy.
goodness. Ah!
Yep.
Awesome.
Saw some sunset behind you too.
Becky, this is yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
I think Becky likes her Instapot.
Yep.
Yeah, I gotta figure it out though. There's more buttons.
More buttons you get to play.
Oh yeah, here's fire too.
It's got a meat
And
rack.
cheese.
Steve built a fire. All right, time to eat. Enjoy the rest of the raid parade. Later. Oh yeah, things you see out here in the desert too. Yes, folks, there's a semi with a 53-foot box trailer at the spot.
What'd you order?
Yeah. What'd you order, George? Hey, say hi to RVing with G.
Hey everybody. Yeah, I don't know what they ordered.
No? Semis seem to follow me around wherever I go in the desert. We had one in the woods too. Interesting.